I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign into the account. This is critical. Once signed in, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings and Security. From Security, choose two-factor authentication to view active methods. Make sure your phone number, authentication app, and backup codes are visible so you can undo or re-enable later. This prevents lockout. If you used an authentication app, keep it open to confirm codes. Now you're ready to make changes safely. Next, you disable the specific 2FA methods one at a time so you retain control. First, tap text message and toggle it off, then enter the code sent to your phone if prompted. Once done, make sure it shows inactive. After that, tap Authentication app and choose Remove or Turn Off, confirming with the 6-digit code shown in the app. If a security key is active, remove it from the list. Make sure backup codes are saved before finalizing changes. Finally, verify two-factor authentication reads off in Security. This completes removal. If Instagram asks for additional confirmation, follow on-screen prompts and re-enter your password to finalize. If you get locked out, immediately use one of your backup codes or the authentication app code. If none work, start Instagram's account recovery and provide requested identity details. Make sure to re-enable 2FA later for better account protection and update phone or email info so you don't lose access again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.